In this video, I'll go through exam questions that cover the criteria read numerical information from lists. You can locate the questions on the mathsmaths.com website under Entry 1. The questions come from different exam boards. We'll start with the non-calculated questions and then we'll move to the calculated questions. Here's the first one. A baker asked a trainee to check how many packets of gold candles he ordered. This is the order. White candles, 7. Blue candles, 4. Gold candles, 3. Silver candles, 5. What does the trainee tell the baker? So we're focusing on gold candles. That's gold candles here. That is 3 packets. Now we're moving to the calculated questions. Alex wants to buy a salad for lunch. He has £3. We've got a price list here. Small pizza, £3. Large pizza, £8. Small salad, £3. Large salad, £5. Chicken salad, £7. So he wants to buy a salad. So we're focusing on a salad. Small salad, large salad, chicken salad. So he only has £3, so he can only buy the small salad. Which salad can Alex buy? Small salad. The small salad. Alicia sees this list of floors. The list shows which floor each picture is on. Battle, floor 4. Horse, floor 3. Roses, floor 6. Ships, floor 2. Tulips, floor 1. On which floor is the picture called Roses? There we have Roses on floor 6. Paul wants to buy some headphones. He has £16. So we're looking for headphones for £16 or less. Here is a price list. Large batteries £5, small batteries £2, charger cable £7, white headphones £19 and black headphones £16. So he has £16, so he's going to buy the black headphones. Which headphones can Paul buy? Black headphones. Fez has 4 games. Game A, 15 levels. Game B, 17 levels. Game C, 13 levels. Game D, 14 levels. He thinks Game C has 17 levels. Is he correct? Give a reason for your answer. Okay, Game C has 13 levels. So we're going to say no. It has 13 levels. Penny looks at the list of her deliveries. Annie 1 o'clock, Josh 3 o'clock, Claire 4 o'clock, Tori 6 o'clock, Steve 7 o'clock. Who gets the next delivery after Josh? So Josh is at 3 o'clock. After 3 comes 4. So that would be Claire. Rosie and her mum look at PE Kit online. This is a list of the items they need to buy. Got shopping list with shorts for £6, t-shirt £8, socks £4, jumper £11, tracksuit for £12. What is the price of the t-shirt? T-shirt £8. This list shows how much time each horse and each pony is brushed for. So 15 minutes, we've got 2 of them. but one is a horse, the other is a pony. So pony is Eve. So Eve brushed the pony for 15 minutes. The man wants to buy a medium-sized birthday cake. He has this amount of money. £10 and £5, that is £15 in total. The baker gives him this order form. Tick the cake he needs to buy. How much is this cake? Give units with your answer. So he wants to buy a medium-sized birthday cake. So there is medium and there is medium there. So we have two options. This one is £16 and this one is 12. £16 he can't afford, he only has 15, but he can afford this one, the sprinkled cake, medium size, for £12. So the cost of cake is £12. A baker wants the trainee to cut biscuits with this cutter. She has this order. Biscuit order: 4 circle, 5 triangle, 2 rectangle, 3 square. How many biscuits should the trainee cut with this cutter? So the shape of the cutter is triangular. So we're looking for triangle. And that's 5 of them. So 5 biscuits should be cut with this cutter. The craft shop sells these model animals. A man wants to buy an owl. This is the price list. How much does the man need to pay? So owl, that is £9. The man has these coins. Which coins will he use to pay for the owl? Tick them. So there is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. And this is the end of the questions.